Hey everybody, John from Under the Stars RV here. I want to give you a quick tour of a 2017 Outback 312 bunkhouse that we've got here. This trailer came to us on a trade and was in actually really good shape. Did have some water damage though that we had to take care of. I mean, our team does that all the time, so we've got that done. Did any of the rebuilding that was needed to be done. We've even seal tested this with our seal test machine here. We got one of those. That thing's fantastic. It can tell you where any leaks could be in your trailer, and we take care of them right away before they do any more damage. Let's take a quick look at this guy. Worth the view. So it's a long trailer. I don't have the specs out with me, but I'm going to tell you this thing's going to be probably 38 feet long. We have a full outdoor kitchen here, which I'm going to take a look at. Now, it is a little too close to my other trailer here, so I don't think I'm going to get it fully open, but I'll give you a peek inside anyway. See, we've got the stove top, got our fridge, hot and cold running water, some extra storage space. Very nice. The one thing on the Outback's very high-end trailer. This is one of my favorite layouts for a family or for someone who just entertains a lot. Big bunk room. You got two slides. This particular one, we've got the flat glass on it. Just a beautiful looking coach. So let's take a look inside here. Aluminum wheels. Very sharp. So as we walk inside, the first thing we're going to see is we've got the darker interior on this guy. A little indicative of the age on it, but it is in fantastic shape. Look at that woodwork. That's the kind of stuff you see mostly in houses, not so much in trailers. So we go into the main bedroom. Again, beautiful woodwork. Lots of cabinetry over the bed. Lots of space. Storage under the bed as well. Extra drawer. We got our television. Now the slide out, as you can see, we've got sleeper couch there. We've got your 4-person dinette. Now that drops down again into a great big bed. It is actually a super comfortable bed. Look at the thickness of those cushions on there. So as we turn around back to the front, you can see the fireplace. We've got our stove top, microwave, lots of room on the counter, faucet that comes out, propane fridge as well as electric. We've got our extra storage here for a pantry if you want, or for clothing. Again, love the walkout bathroom when we're talking a family coach and that. When the size isn't that big a deal, it's beautiful to have them. Full shower surround as well. Let's take a look at this bunk room. Just a level above. These trailers new are quite, they're expensive. The Outback is a great brand. You got your couch in the back that flips down into a bed, as well as the one bunk already put up. We've got the top bunk here with a railing on it. Cubby holes. And of course, some place to put the TV if you want it. Ladder stash. And as we walk back towards the front, now I don't have it all powered up right now, but one thing I will tell you about this coach, which I was really interested in when we took the trade on it, and I knew we had to do a bit of work on it, but is that this also has an auto leveling system on it, and that's pretty rare today. So again, you only normally get that in the super high-end trailers. This was definitely going to fall into that range. So guys, any interest, take a look. It's on our website at underthestarsrv.ca. Any questions, give me a call, shoot me an email, make a comment. Happy to help out. Till next time. Thanks.